Hello, grade 3. Welcome to another Read Aloud. And today you are going to read about the best part of me. Here, few of the children are talking about their best body part with the help of pictures and words. Whatever is written is the writing of that children. And who has taken those pictures and writing in pictures and information is Wendy Ewald, who is a writer as well as a teacher also. So let's see what these children are saying about their best body part. First of all, Elliot. My eyes are brown and black, big and round. I see lots of color around. I see me, I see you. I like my eyes. I should not be surprised. I see your eyes. I see my eyes. I know my eyes can see within me. Without eyes, you couldn't see not one tree. You couldn't see. Not one eye you couldn't buy. The eye is good. The eye is mad. When you are mad, it can seem very sad. So this boy likes the eyes, the best body part for him. Next child is Martha. I like my feet because I painted the toenails and because I cut them not too short, not too long. Mosquitoes like my legs' blood. I take after my dad because they like his blood. I have long legs. I picked to put my feet on leaves because I like to play and I couldn't run and play without them. This is Martha's thoughts about her best body part, that are her feet. Next is Camilla. My hair, the best body part for me. I like my hair. It's long, black and wavy. If you look real close, you can see red streaks. It comes from my Mexican heritage. It's wavy like ocean. So what about Chris Ice Mitchell? I need my arms to pick up my little brothers and throw them on the bed. But when they get up and they try to kick me in my head when I am sleeping in the bed. But they can't as long as I have my arms over my head. So he covers his head with the help of his long arms so that he can save his head from his brothers. Sometime I can move my teeth. Sometimes my grandma can move her teeth too. Did you know baby teeth are smoother than permanent teeth? I can bite and eat with my teeth. I have sharp teeth. So does a shark and my cousin Laura. So for Alessandro, his best body part is her teeth. So what about Colette Coziner? My hands. Wow. I like my hands because they turn the pages of a book. Turn the pages of the book with hands. Very slowly and magically. Heading makes me happy. Reading makes me happy. They wipe my eyes when I am sad. They threaten the things that make me mad. They pull the covers over my head when I am scared. They feel my forehead when I am sick. They write what I am writing now. They touch the precious earth and ground. They dance, they act. They are slender and unique. They are mine. That's all, slender and unique. So one more student is there who is telling his best body part, my hands. Oh, my hands, my old wrinkled hands. Can't you see the triangles in both of them? In the picture, I have on two real rings. One plastic ring and one fake Tweety bird ring. I have no ring on my thumb. My hands are big. I say strong. I lift some things that are heavy. Maybe that's why they are big and ugly. The reason why my nails aren't long is because I bite them off. I write with my right hand, but if write with my left, it looks sloppy. See, the reason why I choose my hands is because I like them even if they are big and ugly. So, Marie Gracia, my elbow. My elbow is like a little circle. I am using my elbow when I am mad. I put my hand on my waist and my elbow sticks out. My elbow are on a table when I am writing or reading. I like my elbows because I play with my elbow when I jump rope. So for him, elbow is the best body part. For Tim McCoy, chest. Chest, you're the best. I like to rest on you. Oh yes, I wake up. I depend on you to protect my body too. Chest, you are the best. You are a big success, you might be the best in the West. Chest, you are the best. Best body part. The reason is told by the Matthew. I took a picture of my face is because my mom says that I look like her. Because my mom thinks that I have nice eyes. Sometimes I like to squint my eyes when I am in the sun. My eyes are light blue as my mom's are blue too. My hair is the same as my mom's, dad's and my brother's. So best part is eyes. For Weberly Benton, what is the best part? My back. I picked my back because if I didn't have my back, then I couldn't move because everything counts on my back. And I put hair in the picture because I like my hair. I can put barrettes in my hair and I can braid it also. My mom braid my hair a lot. She says I'm her little Barbie. My hair is longer than my short sleeve shirt. My wonderful legs, Andrew. Legs, you carry me a long way. You hold me up when I'm out to play. Legs, you are so strong so that I'm able to run very long. You get very tired when I rollerblade, but you still go on. That's how strong you are made. You don't get hurt very easily. I just hate when people call you measly. For Lydia Johnson, the best part is my neck. I love my neck. My neck holds the beautiful necklaces that I wear. I love my neck because it is not too big, not too small. It is just right for me. I love my neck for all the things it can do. It connects to my lovely face and to my strong body. It holds my head. I like my neck. That is why it is the best part of me. All mine. This is the end page. And here what it is saying, when all pray, my hands overlap and the sun they shine. The color of my hands is toasty brown. These beautiful things are mine. By Nada Hussain. that all about the best body parts of different students. I hope you enjoy the book. Thank you.